Hi, I'm Tim. Today I'd like to talk to you all about two ways you can have your students create very different timeline assignments. The first is in Padlet. Who here thought Padlet was dead? But the timeline maker is really nice. The second one is very different. It's from classtools.net, which is a website that I just can't do without. I've been using it for years. This is a new edition, and it uses Wikipedia. Sometimes we don't like that website, but it uses Wikipedia to generate a timeline, and then you can go and edit stuff. They're really cool. I hope you like them both. Thanks for tuning in.
Hi, so I'm on classtools.net, and they have a new Wikipedia timeline generator. So if I go on that, it asks me to click on something, and I'm going to type in Rosie, and there's Rosie the Riveter. This information is all from Wikipedia. And as much as you want to trust Wikipedia or not trust them is what you'd use. But you can see that it's a lot of stuff. It's even into the 80s and 2000s. Everything comes with the year, and then if there's numbers after the year, that's the month of some news or of an event. If you come down here, you can edit. So now if I want to take things out, like maybe I don't want 1509, the Sistine Chapel, so I can delete that. Then I can come down here, and maybe I don't want anything after when she died. And now I have a simplified timeline, which I can then save, and it asked me to make a password, so I'm going to make a nice little password. And okay. Now, anytime I want to edit it, I can copy this and take note and come find it again. I can also share this. I can make a QR code. I can, let's see, share it as a link. So I have a link and an embed code. I can copy and paste that somewhere in a Teams meeting or something to have my teacher check it out. So that is the classtools.net Wikipedia timeline creator. Hi, so I'm in Padlet, and I'm going to click make a new Padlet. My options have just doubled over the last few weeks. One of my options is to make a timeline. So if I click select, oh, it made a nice timeline with leaves. So first thing I'm going to do is make this easier to see. I'm going to change it to a solid color. All right, blue. It's not the brightest blue, but it'll have to do. So now I'm going to keep working. So I can, the same way of any other Padlet, I can change many different things here. I can also copy the clipboard to have other people join me. So I'm going to take this link and paste it into a Teams meet or something like that. Make this go away, start posting. And when I click the plus, or when someone else clicks the plus, they can add things. They can add events. They can upload files. They can link to different websites. They could take a picture from their iPad or other device. They can add film, voiceovers, screen recordings, draw on it, add locations, and even link it to another Padlet. Multiple people can join in and create this timeline together. I hope this was helpful.